today we're going to make some no bake energy balls. These are a great pick me up if you are suffering from that surge in the afternoon where you need a bit of energy, and they're quite simple, so once you've made them it does make quite a few and you just store them in the fridge. I will leave the recipe linked in the next slide so you can take a screenshot to make these for yourself, and you can change up the add-in. So in this one I'm just using chocolate chips, but you could use a mix of chocolate and a nut and fruit. You can customise these to make them your own, and we'll get started with the recipe. Firstly, I'm going to take my mixing bowl, so I've got a large glass mixing bowl here, and into that I'm going to pop my oat. And then I'm going to also pop my flaxseed or linseed. And I'm also going to pop my chocolate chips. Now I'm using dark chocolate chips here. These are actually accidentally vegan, but you can use whatever chocolate chips you want, so either vegan or non-vegan. And I'm just going to give that a quick mix with my little spatula just to combine it. So now that's all combined, the next thing I'm going to add in is my nut butter. So I'm using a crunchy peanut butter here, but you can use whatever of your choice. So if you aren't able to have nuts, you can use a different butter. Something like tahini would be good as well. You just basically need something that's going to bind the recipe together. So all my peanut butter's in, and then I'm going to add my honey in. If you are making this a vegan recipe, just obviously swap your honey for agave. And if your honey, unlike mine, is not runny, you can just pop it into the microwave just on a little 30-second blast, just so it does actually go runny. And then the last thing to add in is just a teaspoon of vanilla extract. So keep hold of your teaspoon because you're going to need that in a little bit. I'm just going to pop mine in a bowl to the side. And then you want to give this a good mix to combine it all. So now we've got everything mixed together. It is looking a bit like a flapjack recipe. Don't worry if it's not all fully combined, we can sort that out. So I'm just going to bring in a plate to pop these on once I've made them. Take my spatula out of the way. And using my teaspoon, I'm just going to grab about a heaped teaspoon of these per bowl. And then you grab it in your hands. Give it a little squash together, and then just rub it between the palms of your hands in a circular motion, and that makes your little ball like that. And I'm just going to repeat this process until all my mixture's used. So as I'm rolling these little balls in between my hands, I am just being a bit firm to making sure that they do stick together, because obviously just want everything to be incorporated as one. So that's my energy balls all made then, and I'm going to pop them into the fridge just to firm up. These will last you about 2 weeks, but ours never normally last that long. And if you do make these, just leave me a comment down in the description what you're going to pop in yours. And don't forget, if you do make them with this recipe, you can tag me on Facebook and Instagram. My links are down in the description box also. Don't forget you can subscribe just up here and watch my previous video just over here. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Bye!